Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be trying to get the radio working on this Mark 1 Mazda MX5. It's a 1997 model, UK spec I believe, and yeah, the radio isn't working and the cigar lighter isn't working. So first of all I'm going to show you where the fuse boxes are. Now you've got one underneath the bonnet here. Down here, as you can see, they're mainly engine related fuses, cooling fan, fuel injection, etc. So we won't be going in there. We've also got one towards the back in the boot here, small little one, which only seems to control the rear defogger and the antenna, electric antenna. So also we won't be bothering with that today. Now the one we're interested in is inside the car. Sorry about the lighting, guys. Underneath here in the footwell. So it's a right-hand drive car and it's up here. Okay, so you've got your pedals there. Maybe on the other side if you've got left-hand drive. And it's up there, so that's what we're going to be looking at today. Now, okay, so we've got our ignition on, and as you can see, the radio is doing absolutely nothing, and there doesn't seem to be any power coming to the cigarette lighter either. So we pull that out. You can see it hasn't been used, but just as a quick test, we'll put the power probe up there. There's no power. We should be getting something like that. And we're getting nothing at all. So we've got an earth to one side, but we're getting no live come through the centre of that. So it seems, not all the handbooks tell you, but it seems that the cigarette lighter and the radio work off the same fuse. It's a 15 amp fuse that they seem to share the circuitry with. So we'll get down into that fuse box and have a look at it. Okay, so we're down underneath the dashboard now, and the fuses we're concerned about are this 10 amp one here, which apparently is for interior lights and radio. Now you can see with the tester, if I put the tester on both sides, we've got power to that side of the fuse, got power to that side of the fuse, so I'm sure that one's okay. Now the 15 amp up here, which is the other one, which is shared between the cigar lighter and the radio. See, we've got 11.9 volts to one side of the fuse there. And we've got nothing to that side. That side is dead. 11.9 there. And nothing there. So we're going to pull that fuse out. Hopefully that's our problem. Okay guys, so that's the fuse. 15 amp. And you can see the contact has melted in the middle of that. So we'll replace that fuse, put a new fuse in there, see what happens. Okay, so we've got a good 15 amp fuse now. You see the contact is intact in that one. So we're going to put that back in and see what happens. Let me see if I can get some light down here for you. Okay, so we put that in. That's the radio come on. Right, so the radio's lit up. Turn that down, keep the music down for copyright reasons, but the radio's lit up, so that's a good sign. So let's see if we've got power now at our cigarette lighter. We do. And we've got 11.7 volts there. So there we go. So looks like a fix today. Hopefully they don't blow again. But yeah, if you need to know where your cigarette lighter and radio fuses are, now you know. And they might differ slightly for different specifications, but it's definitely worth a look. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.